As we define these basic variables now, if we want to check the type of this variable, we will simply use a type function here. Basically, we have to use print, and then we will specify type, and then the name of our variable num. To run this, we will simply use this file. Here you can see the type of this particular variable num is integer. To check the type of, let's say, list, we will use print and then type, and then the name of our variable list, which is a my list. To see the type of that particular variable, we will simply use run our file here, and here you can see the type is class and list. To see the type of dictionary, we will simply use print, then type again, and then the name of our dictionary variable. To run this, here is showing dictionary.